will lead her to her destiny. This Mbaji will lead her to her destiny. Ndokwe, guard this and keep it safe. This is the symbol, the way to his destiny. Karen.
My beautiful princess, the one whose beauty cannot be matched by any other in the entire kingdom, the one whose name, Olako, means the house of wealth. I want you to carry yourself with pride because you are the most beautiful amongst all. I look at you every day and I feel very proud from the inside of me because I know very soon, word will come to my home through you.
Nam,
Yeah.
my father,
I'm standing right here.
the way you render praises on me makes my heart overjoyous. But you see the part you said, I will bring wealth to this household. It gladdens my heart the more. I believe when the prince sees me, he'll be left atoned. And the elders of this land, they will come visiting in respect of the Igwe.
You are indeed blessed by the gods. I can actually say that you are the daughter of the gods. Go, my princess. Just go. Because I know that very soon you are going to bring me a royal son-in-law.
Thank you, Father.
And when I say you are beautiful, I mean it by every definition of that word.
Thank you, Father.
Beautiful indeed.
Greetings to the great prince of our land. Greetings to the one who gladdens the hearts of all that sees him. Greetings, great prince of Edani kingdom.
Greetings, beautiful maiden of Edani kingdom.
Just that? Is that all? Well, at least he recognized that I am beautiful. I'll leave it at that for today. But I'll come back stronger.
Oma!
Yes.
Oma! Why are you shouting my name when I'm standing next to you? Why are you carried away when you saw the prince? You don't have to shout my name. I'm standing here.
So how many times did I call you?
It doesn't matter. My attention was on something more important.
It's okay. Don't stop me because you cannot see.
Because of your eyes and your brain. For your thoughts cannot even see more than your eyes can see.
Oma,
Yes?
are you trying to insult me?
I'm sorry, forgive me. I didn't mean to insult you. I'm sorry.
Okay, it's okay. I've forgiven you.
You just make the cause for you. Me. Because of you that I for myself. First one daughter of Edan.
The granddaughter of Ezewan actually approach a man to tell him how I feel. Me, may the gods forbid.
You are my sister. Who are trying to work?
Oma,
Yes?
don't stand there and watch another maiden take him away from you.
That direction. If another maiden takes him away from you, it simply means that he is not the one the grandmother spoke about. Do not worry. My own man will come back to stay.
Oma, have you tried talking to Prince or Zomina?
What should I do? He is not the one. Because my heart has never felt anything. It has never even moved. Each time I'm passing on the way. It can't be him.
It's okay, Oma, it's okay. Whatever will be, will be. Let's go home.
Whatever will be, will be. Let's go, but let me look at it for you.
My prince. Greetings, my prince.
Greetings, maiden.
My prince. Can I have a word with you?
What would you want to discuss with me, beautiful maiden of Edali?
My prince. If you do not mind, can you ask your God to excuse us?
Maiden?
Olaku. Olaku is my name, my prince.
Olako, whatever you want to discuss with me can be discussed in the presence of my God. Or perhaps what you have to say is not important.
Oh, my prince, it is very important. But I mean, I can't say whatever it is in front of him.
If you say so.
Did he just walk out on me? No, did he just walk out on me? Why should he do so? The least he would have done is ask his God to excuse us. Or was he supposed to tell him I love him in presence of his God? Why so rude and arrogant? I can't do this again. I cannot. What arrogance!
Ordinary sorry she did not even say. Or am I invisible? Eh? But I played with some ladies at the stream now. Manachile, are they daughters of Miri? Mazudo answered my greetings now. Eh? Mazudo answered my greetings. Let me just pretend as if nothing happened. You are very lucky that my pot did not fall off my head. I'm not the cause of your problem. Oh. I'm sure she did not even attack the very person that got her upset.
Why are you screaming like this? Who angered you to make you scream this way? What happened?
Now, I have just been humiliated by the prince in front of his guards. I feel like the ground should have just opened up and swallowed me.
What exactly did you do to Prince to warrant being humiliated in the way you just described? What did you do?
No, I can't believe you just said this. How would I have angered the man after my heart? Okay, let me tell you. I approached the prince, telling him I had something important to discuss with him, that he should excuse the guards.
Okay.
But he said I had nothing important to tell him. He signaled the guards and they left me standing there like a fool. Father, I don't think I can continue with this. I think it's high time you stepped in and take over. I can't do this again.
Prince Ozemena is not the only one who is a prince in this kingdom. There is equally Prince Chetanna.
What are you trying to say?
Why are you not talking about Prince Chetanna?
Father, if I do not marry Prince Ozemena, how am I supposed to be the head lolo of Edani?
From that question you just asked now, it becomes very clear to me that you don't even know a whole lot about our tradition. Here in Eda and the kingdom, if the younger prince marries before the senior prince and delivers a son who is an heir to the throne, automatically that younger prince becomes the crown prince of this kingdom. In a situation where both princes are not married before the death of the king, a festival, a very sacred festival called Dance of Mbaji will be organized, whereby all the maidens will file out, and then the gods will choose who becomes the Lolo of Edan Kingdom. Very sacred indeed, but it is something that has not happened for a very long time. Because almost all the princes we have had, all of them married before the death of the king.
Father, what are you trying to say?
What I am trying to say is very simple. Prince Ozemena should not only be the one you are targeting, you should equally be focusing on Prince Chetanna.
Oh.
You understand? So that if this one fails to work, then this other one works.
Mm-hmm.
I can see that smile.
I've heard you now. And I will try my best.
That's my daughter talking. Because there is no way I am not going to benefit from being a member of the ruling class.
I agree with you.
And I did not give birth to the most beautiful maiden in this kingdom just for nothing. Of course, something must have to come into this family because of that beauty.
I agree with you.
Now you know. If Prince Ozemena is not working, let Prince Chetanna walk. What's your mom?
Udoka, you're embarrassing me. You're embarrassing me and I don't like it.
Ozioma, Biko, I've been pleading for forgiveness for days. Ozioma Biko, Baharam, I beg you.
Mbaharagi. Udoka, after hurting me, you are asking for forgiveness. I asked you, what do you have with Nkechinyere? You said nothing. Well, why then were you still playing and laughing with her?
Ozioma,
why?
I've told you before. I was only talking with her, nothing more.
Ha, Udoka.
I swear, nothing.
Ha, Udoka. Udoka, you know what I can do, right? Iman.
Ozioma, don't go fighting her. Please. Biko, I'm begging you, don't go fighting her.
Ndi love, I should not go and fight her. Why should I even fight her? It is you I have problem with, not her. So you expect me to stoop so low to go and fight my fellow maiden over a man?
Thank you. Thank you very much.
He's even thanking me. What am I doing here? I'm out of here.
Ozioma, Ozim.
My prince. Greetings.
Greetings, beautiful maiden.
Thank you, my prince.
So how are you? And who are you?
My name is Omasri. I'm the daughter of a chain queen.
Omasiri Chuku.
My friends.
What a beautiful name. I mean, a beautiful name for a beautiful maiden. You are indeed sweet into my soul. You know, I never knew Chie Ndukwe have a grown-up and beautiful daughter as you are.
My friends, thank you so much. Thank you for your kind, soothing words. You should have a way of making your subjects feel so special. Thank you. May the gods continue to grant you wisdom.
I will sure look for you, for you are indeed bestowed with so much wisdom.
Thank you, my friend. My friends, I have to run along now. Let me go back. Thank you. You see.
I like her.
To think that our mothers actually spend time bringing us up according to the ways of the gods makes me wonder from whom she learned such evil deeds from.
That's her problem. She has been banished. I pray wherever she is, she live a good life, so that Achi can grant her mercy.
I still feel pity for her, you know.
She brought it upon herself.
Yes, I know, but I still feel punishment was a harder punishment for her crime.
You do not know more than the Igwe or the gods of our land.
Ulamaka, there is definitely no pity spot in your heart at all. Obi Taragi Mimi.
Was I the one that instructed her to do evil?
Ukamaka!
Wakego!
Daddy. Oma. Oma, talk to me. Did you see the prince? Did he smile and talk to you? Yes, I saw him. Yes, he smiled and he spoke to me. He came to the stream. I greeted him, my prince. And he smiled with response. He said, beautiful maiden of Idan kingdom.
It's a lie.
Yes, he did support that. He now said that I'm blessed with wisdom. He also said, no, he just asked me my name.
You mean Prince Chetana asked for your name?
Yes, he didn't even stop at that. He also said he would come to look for me.
Oma, you are joking.
I'm not joking.
Do you mean Prince Chetana is coming to our house to look for you? That means Grandma's prophecy is coming to pass.
My sister, I'm having the same feeling. The same feeling.
So soon, you become the next princess of Adi and the kingdom. Oma, I'm so happy for you. And Nna will be so happy for you.
Nnam must not hear about this.
But why?
No. Not just Nnam. No soul should hear about this until the gods are done blessing us. Do you understand?
If you said so.
Let's go to the kitchen. When you're done with Ugo, bring it to me.
I will.
I should be the first maiden to be married into the palace. But what should I do? Prince Ozemena is making everything difficult for me. What kind of a man is he? He's so proud and arrogant.
Maybe I should just heed to Nam's advice and stick to Chitena. Aha. I should go and prepare, so the moment he sees me, he won't have to talk much. But why should I be married to a man I do not love? Left for me, I would choose Ozemena, but he's making everything difficult for me. Maybe I should just go and prepare for Ozemena instead. No, he's the crown prince of Edani. It will not work on him. I should just stick to Prince Chitena. Yes. And when Ozemena sees what he's missing, he will do the right thing. Yes. That's what I should do.
Ama Silichuku.
Nam.
Amalicha Adambia. Are you done with your house chores?
Yes, I'm done with that.
Okay. When you are done, just take this inside. When you are done, take this with Daberichi to the palace and give it to the headmaid.
Okay, now.
I want to go and see Chiokoro. I'll soon be back.
Okay, now.
What is it? Just because of your mother who has done no wrong to me, I'll say this to you. Drop your pot of water on the ground unless you want me to break it.
I do not understand. What is the meaning of this?
Are you asking me questions? I said, drop your water pot on the ground.
I will not drop it until you tell me what this is all about.
How dare you! You break my water pot! That is, you slap every... Next time you see Udoka, you run as fast as your legs can carry. That I forgave Nkechi the last time will not mean that I will forgive others. You better go and tell all the maidens what I did to you, so that you all will stay clear from my man Udoka. Idiot.
There you go, Ron. Come on, say. Should I tell you what I have in my heart? Are you sure you want to hear it?
I want to hear.
I am saying this day to you that I will surely be your husband. And you will surely be my wife.
Are you sure about that? Are you sure?
I love you, Omasiri. I love you so much and I am very sure about it.
I love you too.
Are you sure? Look at me in the eyes and say it.
That was just a dream. But a beautiful one. I like it. I'm just taking straight to the street. Who knows?
Are you sure she's going to pass here today?
Yes, my prince. She has been coming through this part.
Alright then. Let us wait. Might be delayed for something.
Greetings, my friends.
Greetings, please. Come. Greetings. I mean, my eyes have never seen this beauty in reality. I mean, I must say that you're indeed a goddess that decided to come dwell amongst me. So what do I call this goddess of the Ghana kingdom?
Olako, my friends. My name is Olako.
Olako. What a beautiful name. Olako, which means a house of wealth.
Yes, my friends.
So Olako, my dear, I would want this Olako to spend some time with you. So I want to know her more.
My prince, she's not...
You be silent. What do you say, Olako?
My friend, she's gone.
I said silent.
Greetings, my friends.
So would you take a walk with me while I get to know you?
Greetings, my prince.
God.
Thanks to God's of the land, I got there when I did. Because it's obvious from the look of things that Prince was waiting for that maiden. Who is she? I really need to know her because after so many years of staying away from this kingdom, I have not gotten used to some of the maidens. It seems my chi has favored me. Very soon, I'll be the first maiden to be married into the royal hall. All I need to do is make Prince Chaitanya come around very fast. Okay.
Are you trying to tell me that Ozoma beat you up because you were seen talking to Udoka? How could she do that to her fellow maiden? She slapped me and broke my water pot. Chukwajo, what did you say? Olamaka, I am disappointed in you. How could you allow that mannerless maiden beat you up like a child? Olamaka, where is your strength? Where is it?
I was even surprised when she slapped me.
Hey.
Do you think it's by strength? Have you fought with that maiden before? She possesses a lot of strength that sometimes I wonder where she got it from.
I should clap for you. I should clap for you. Can you hear yourself speak? Olamaka, I can't stand here and listen to all this rubbish you are spewing out of your mouth. I don't even understand. How can you be praising the strength of your fellow maiden who beats you up like a child? Olamaka,
I'm supposed to fight her back.
Out of here!
I don't blame you! No! I'm supposed to fight her now. It's never your fault. Just wait. One of these days, you will certainly get your own share of the beating when she sees you go close to Udoka. You're not the one that asked me to go close to Udoka in the first place. Instead of you to sympathize with me for being beaten up, you're here telling me about strength. Nonsense.
Oma, my heart is broken. I just saw what broke my heart. You can't even ask me what happened. Oma, are you crying? Oma, it's okay. Have you witnessed it? Did you see?
He's not the one. I have prayed to my chi to let my path cross with his. I have seen all the men, all of them in this kingdom. None of them make me feel the way Prince Chaitanya makes me feel. I have been praying to my chief for 3 days to take this pain away from me. But I guess they are too busy to even listen to me.
Oh my Zuki. For 3 days. Wait. You know about their relationship? You're aware that Prince Chaitanya is seeing Ulako. I'm sorry for going through all these pains alone. I'm the one that encouraged you to it. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. What did you say her name is?
Her name is Ulako, daughter of Ichie Maduka. She was staying with her grandmother. When her grandmother passed away, she returned back to stay with her father.
I see. Looks like the prince likes light-skinned maidens.
Oh man, it's okay. The prince did not know what the gods have kept for him. You're beautiful. You're hardworking. You're intelligent. Should I continue? Don't continue. Stop it.
It's okay.
Stop.
It's okay.
Daberechi, you have a way of cracking me up all the time. And I thank the gods for giving me, in fact, for blessing me with a sister like you.
Oma, it's okay. We have ourselves and we'll conquer life together.
Sure.
It's okay.
This meat is well prepared.
I know. It was made for royalties. So it had to be the best.
I am already eating from the royal pot. Even when the marriage is not sealed yet. By the time the marriage is finally sealed, not only will I be sitting with the Igwe, I will be sitting with him as a member of the royal family, not just as a council member.
I agree with you. But, Papa, you forgot to add lots of farmlands and bands of yam and a whole lot to come. I just wish Mama was here to witness all of this.
I wish the same too. But I know she is happy where she is. I know. But Olako, my daughter, there is something you have not managed to tell me. Yes, it was by suggestion. But you have not managed to tell me how you were able to easily switch from Ozemena to Chatanna. How were you able to do it?
Papa, you like to know everything. But you see this particular word. Papa, you have to finish your meat first. Yes, Papa.
Very well prepared.
Thank you.
The reason I called for this meeting is to find out what is delaying you from picking your wives from the maiden.
Yes, especially you, Ozemena. You are the eldest one and the crown prince of Edani Kingdom. What is keeping you from finding a wife, or should I help you find one?
No, mother. Do not worry yourself. I'll find a maiden and bring her to you.
Father, I have already found the maiden to wife. Yes. Very soon I will bring her to the palace and officially introduce her to you and mother.
Wonderful. The best news I've heard. I hope she's beautiful.
Mother, she is the most beautiful maiden in India.
Yes, that's interesting. Interesting.
What are you trying to prove by telling them you found a maiden to wife? When I, your elder brother, the crown prince of Eda and the kingdom, is still searching.
And how is that my business?
Ozemena, stop. Remember the tradition. If Chatanna, your brother, marries and bears an heir to the throne, he will automatically be crowned the next Igwe of Edani. So if you do not want to lose your birthright to your younger brother, you better find yourself a wife.
Father, I am not even interested in the throne. All I want is to live simple and be happy.
Better. That choice of yours is better because I will not allow you to take my birthright.
No, shut up. You dare not disrespect your father and I. You're still in our presence. You dare not threaten your brother. What is that?
What kind of stupid tradition is this?
What?
I'm out of here.
Come back here. Ozemena, come back here.
Let him go. Let him go. Let him go. Chatanna.
Father.
We await your maiden wife. Okay?
Yes, Father.
I personally will want to see her to know the daughter of whom she is.
Father, she's the daughter of Mazi Maduka.
Really?
Yes, Father.
What? That's nice.
Oh.
He's a member of the royal council.
Yes, Mother.
I am so proud of you.
Thank you so much.
You have just made a wonderful choice.
Thank you, Father.
No problem.
I'll be in my chambers.
It's okay. It's okay.
I need you to find out the maiden that my brother is singing. Yes, my prince. Find out her house, her friends, her family. Everything about her I need to know. I need to know where they go to, where they meet and how they met. Every information about her, I need it. Yes, my prince. You may leave. I will not watch and allow him marry before me. Never. That beautiful maiden, I need to look for her. She has not crossed paths with me since then. And I am beginning to find her interesting. I need to look for her. I need to.
I have no idea that fools goes to the farm. Ekema, what are you doing in the farm? Oh, I know. You are here eating raw cassava. All the food you've consumed, where does it go to?
Bia, Olamaka, or whatever they call you. What is the meaning of all this? Eh? How can you see someone and you started laughing and mocking that person without no reason? Eh? Anyways, I do not blame you. I blame Ozoma, who did not cut off your mouth when she was beating you like a child. And let me tell you, if you try this next time, I will tell Ozoma that I saw you with Udoka. And you know, everyone in this village believed everything I said because Ekema does not lie.
Ekema, how did you know? Because nobody was there. Not even a soul witnessed what happened.
Ezioku, ne, I was there. I was there. I saw everything with my 2 eyes. I saw everything with my 2 eyes. And you see this my mouth that I'm using to eat raw cassava. I will use it to tell every single soul in Adam.
Ekema, bring down your voice. Please, bring down your voice. Ekema, the most beautiful maiden. Ekema, the choosing of the gods. Ekema, I'm a good friend. I was only joking. Ekema does not eat too much. Everybody knows. I'm sorry. I was only joking. Let me alone.
Ne, Ekema don't keep friends. You are not my friend, and I'm not your friend. Anyway, you will have to beg me. You will have to beg me. Every Ekema day, you will bring me meat. Then I'll forgive you. Meat. Meat.
Ekema is too much to ask.
It's too much. Okay, in that case, my mouth will be busy. You know, every Eke market day, I'm always active because I was born on that day. So watch me talk.
Ekema,
leave me alone.
Ekema, please don't talk. I agree. I will bring you meat every Eke market day. But don't tell anybody.
Let me
help you.
No, go. Go!
My daughter.
Ma'am.
Your sister has told me everything. Why did you not tell me your heart raced the day you met with Prince Chaitanya?
Nam, I wasn't sure what it was.
Have you felt like that with any other man in Adam?
No, Nam. It's just for Prince Chaitanya.
As your grandmother will always say, what will be will be. Your destiny can always be delayed, but never can be denied. He will look for you. When both of you meet, both of you will feel it. That was what your grandmother said.
Manokolo just told me the family he will be born in, so that it will be easy for me.
the ways of the gods are never the ways of men. As the one your Charlie knows better than to allow the gods go on their terms. She was your grandma, but she can never do or say more than the gods instructed.
No, it's okay. I understand. It's okay.
Adam, I need to go and rest. Don't worry, I don't mind. What will be, will be.
Any valid information yet?
Not yet, my prince. I've been following Prince Shetanna for the past 2 days, as he told me to, but I have not seen him meet with her yet. I got information that he left the palace the day you sent me on an errand, my prince.
So today's failure was my fault. I need you to take me somewhere.
My prince, it seems the house is empty. No one is here.
Check the back of the house.
I know you're fascinating.
Bring me so much joy. So much peace. So much peace.
Shetanna, how dare you? How could you go after the maiden I chose for myself?
I do not understand her, Zemina. She was never betrothed to anyone when I met her. I saw her. I liked her. I spoke to her and she accepted. What is then your problem with that?
Shetanna, she liked me first.
Brother, she is now with me. You should be happy for me for once in your entire life.
I will not let you have her. Never will I.
You should be ashamed of yourself, Azemina. I do not care what you think. And do not think you will have her without a fight.
Then we shall see.
He still thinks that his little brother he throws around. We shall see.
Listen, you have to stop fighting every single man you see around me in this village.
Why should I? Eudoka, are you the one inviting them to come hang around you or you enjoy seeing me angry?
My wife has to be a woman that can put herself together and not going around fighting every single woman in Edani and beyond.
I have not fought every maiden in Edani and beyond. Don't tell me you are tired of me already. You caused all this.
Ozema, I am not tired of you. I can never be tired of you. I want you to be my wife.
Then go see my father and pay my bride price.
Not until I find you worthy.
And what is that supposed to mean?
Listen to me. You have to change. Yes. And if you change and do the right thing, I will also do the right thing.
Udoka!
Ulako! Ulako! Ulako!
What's that? My prince. Greetings.
Ulako, how could you do this to me?
What have I done to anger my prince?
How could you move from me to my brother? Ulako, you liked me first. What happened? I waited to see you every day, but you were nowhere to be found.
I'm even surprised you know my name. The last time I tried to tell you my name, you acted as if you were not interested. You even embarrassed me in front of your guard.
That gave you no right to move over to my brother.
Well, Prince Chaitanya saw me and he liked me. I mean, who wouldn't fall for the loving, handsome Prince Chaitanya? He's caring too.
Oh, I see. You're indirectly telling me that I'm not caring and calm and all that. Now you listen to me and listen carefully. I will not let two of you happen.
He likes me. He likes me. So why was he pretending? Left for me, I would want to stay with Prince Ozemena. I mean, who wouldn't want to be the head Lolo? I have to be very careful, so the royal home doesn't hate me for clashing the two brothers. After all, what does Prince Chaitanya have to offer? Okay.
Oh, Amaka, my beautiful friend.
My friend, I was planning coming to your house today, but after delivering this.
Okay, so what is it that you're holding? Let me take a look.
Amaka. It's a meat. I want to give it to someone.
Ha, Ulamaka. So tell me who the young man is.
There's no young man.
Ulamaka, my friend. Eh? You're my friend now. You know you cannot have a secret lover in this village and decide to keep it away from me. And moreover, you need to be telling me things so that I can cover you up when the need arises. You gotta go.
There's nothing to cover. Because I'm seeing no man. I just want to deliver this to someone.
And that someone does not have a name? Anyways, that's not my business. Ulamaka, please. I want you to help me take something for me to Udoka.
I will do no such thing. The last errand you sent me on, is what I'm still paying for. Stealing my father's meat every Eke market day just to appease someone who does not want it.
Wait. Equally in Kenaboamobi right now. You mean Uzoma talked you into stealing your father's meat every Eke market day? So she does not beat you or what? Is that how scared you are of her? Ordinary maiden. Ordinary Uzoma. That maiden I will pin to the ground and beat like a child.
My good friend, why don't you go and beat her up like a child? Rather than sending me to Udoka. Let me see between you and she who is stronger. For your information, if you must know, Uzoma is not the one I'm appeasing, but Ekema.
Eh? Ekema? Why do you have to appease Ekema? They are maiden with abnormal behavior. Cherekwa, wait. You made mention of taking me to her every Eke market day. And today is Eke. So what is going on? Talk to me. What is going on?
Ekema witnessed the day Uzoma beats me up and threatened to tell everybody that cares. She said she will only keep to herself if I bring her meat in every Eke market day.
That abnormal maiden. How dare she? So what are we going to do?
I'll be on my way now.
You want to leave me here and go? I am so sorry, my dear friend.
Keep your sorry to yourself. I guess you're happy.
Ha! Ikema. Ikema, you again? Ikema, you have beaten more than you can chew.
Very good.
Go to the yam barn. Get some food items and take to Ichie Madukwe's house. Tell her or anyone you meet there that the items is from the crown prince of Edani Kingdom, Prince Ozemena.
Yes, my prince.
You had better mention my name to whoever you hand over the items to.
Yes, my prince. Oh, yes, my prince.
Get going. Let me see who the father will choose after all this. A greedy man is always after what he will get. And through him, I will get to Lako.
You broke my heart, my dear grandchild. The heart of a mother cannot be at peace to see her chosen one troubled. What you feel is right, but the chosen one on whose waist lies to lead the kingdom of Edan is not supposed to be seen crying. You are to carry the pains of the land, give birth to peace and love. Wipe your tears. Wipe your tears and see how the gods will wipe evil. Don't forget, the ways of the gods are not always the ways of me. Mama Nuku! Mama Nuku! Mama Nuku! Mama Nuku!
My daughter, you are back.
Yes, Papa. Did you go to the farm today?
Where are you coming from? Someone actually came looking for you and you were nowhere to be found. Thank the God I was at home. If not, we would have missed this.
I was with Prince Chaitanya. Who brought this now?
You were with Prince Chaitanya. And then Prince Ozemena sent his guard to come and bring this. Is there something your father is missing?
A whole lot of trauma is what you're missing now. A whole lot. The other day, Prince Ozemena saw me with Prince Chaitanya and he was so angry. He later came to the house shouting and asking where I was, that he's been looking for me all day.
He came looking for you?
Yes, Father. He actually said he wants to marry me. That he doesn't want to share me with Prince Chaitanya.
I was with the king in the palace and he mentioned how they are planning to come and marry you for Prince Chaitanya. And now you are telling me about Prince Ozemena.
Nam, it's Prince Ozemena I want.
So how do we handle Prince Chaitanya?
I have my plans. I am being very careful not to fall out of love from the royal family, Nam. I want to create a situation where they'll have to ask me, beg me to marry Prince Ozemena since he's the first.
Interesting. Well, if you can make two brothers to be fighting for you, then I trust whatever plan you have. Yeah?
I understand perfectly what your know is saying. It is better we plan and act fast because we do not know what the people of Isha have. They are planning. We don't know. Don't know what they have in mind.
Okoro, thank you very much. In all this way, I still stand my ground. Let us not attack till we hear from the gods. If the situation is as bad as we assume, the gods must have spoken by now. But they have not. So, Igwe, let us wait, please.
Ndukwe, sometimes I wonder where you got your wisdom from. No. These people are trying to attack us. And you are here saying we should wait until the gods speak. Do you want us to die before we can do anything? Let us attack first. Yes.
What I'm saying, no, is not that we should relax. I mean, we should get prepared. We should be battle ready, but not attack until we hear from the gods. That's all.
Igwe, it is better we plan. Be prepared so that we can recover more lands from these people. Okay. So we can recover more lands. Oh. Yes.
My elders.
Igwe.
You have all spoken well.
Thank you.
I will think about it. And I'll get back to you. Okay? I mean, we should find a way out.
A solution. So that we
and definitely we'll find a solution, okay?
Yes.
So, everybody should calm down. There will be a solution. Just give me some time.
No problem.
My elders.
Igwe.
Have I spoken your mind?
Indeed, you have.
You have, Igwe.
Igwe.
Well,
Daddy, that's a good one. Igwe.
Igwe, what is it? Get water, water! Igwe! Hey, Ogini! Hey! Igwe!
I am very, very surprised that we've not heard from the Ezenwai. She has not given an account to what happened to the Igwe.
I'm not surprised.
Oh!
I'm not surprised myself. But according to the Ezenwai, they should be looking after the Igwe. Why she goes back to the shrine and consult the gods? It has to be about the Igwe.
Okay.
And the gods must speak.
Yes.
They have to speak. In short, it's time they speak because they have been silent for too long.
That is very true.
Yes.
That is very true. It's been long that we've heard from them. And besides, none of the princes are yet married. I pray nothing evil happens to the Igwe.
No, nothing will happen to Igwe.
You're sure?
Why Igwe is strong? Nothing will happen. Let's go home.
Igwe
nothing will happen to Igwe.
Evil has visited the royal home.
But that's
Mother, the truth.
No, Mother, do not speak such evil with your mouth. Evil has not visited the royal house. Evil cannot visit the royal house, nor the people of the kingdom. Mother, what is wrong with father?
We do not know yet. The gods have not said anything concerning his condition.
But what do you mean the gods has not said a word? If they cannot talk, we force them to speak.
Why force them to speak?
Ozomena! What is wrong with you? How can you say such a thing with your mouth? How do you force the gods to speak?
Are you speaking to me with that tone?
Enough.
Are you?
Enough of you two. If I let you, then you begin to hit yourselves. Can you at least take pity on your father?
Mother, I need to be alone. I need to pray to my chief regarding my father's health.
Ozemena, stop. This is not the right time for all this nonsense. Your father is lying here and you want to fight. I expected you to
talk to your favorite son, not me.
What is it? I'm just coming back from the farm. I heard a very bad news. Very bad news, oh.
Bad news? What did you hear? Huh? Ekema, I hope it's not one of those your jokes.
Ne. I heard that Igwe is lying in the palace helplessly. Hi!
When?
Ne, this is very bad for Edano.
Our Igwe is still strong and he is a man.
So why should he fall sick? Why should he fall sick? One day, I thought Igwe is the strongest man in Edano kingdom. So if a whole Igwe can fall sick, so what will become of us?
Will you shut your mouth up? What are you even saying? Can you hear yourself? Hey, don't go to the village and say this thing, oh. The people will laugh at you. Sometimes I wonder, what is wrong with you? You don't reason like your age mates at all.
You are insulting me.
Come back here. Where are the farm tools you take to the farm?
I left it at the farm. I left it to come and tell you the bad news I heard. So if I carry the basket, it will be very heavy and it will slow down my movement. So that's why I went to come and tell you.
Did you give me pennies to raise or a child? To take care of? Will you go back and bring it?
Oh, don't share bad news. You are cursing me. You are calling me names.
Okay, now you can't say. I think you see better.
Hey!
What is wrong?
Hi.
Eh? No. Dabrichi, can you please? What is it? Why are you sitting like that? Now, the last time I saw you looking this way was when we lost the man look. What are you thinking? You did not even notice when we walked in here.
Madam,
No.
something mysterious happened in the palace today. While we were sitting on a meeting with Igwe, he suddenly, I mean so suddenly, fell sick. The reason why I cannot say what is wrong with him. The gods have not spoken. Madam, I'm afraid danger is looming.
But the gods forbid that our land be faced with danger. Now the gods will speak, and the Igwe will soon be on his feet.
You say...
Nambiko, let me fix you something to eat. Eh? Don't say that, you will eat though. Nam, you will eat. I'm coming. I'll be fast. I'm afraid the gods are silent.
That's why. Is there any other way out? Please, Ezenwai, do something. The people of Eda and the kingdom are scared. Please, you know our Igwe is very young and this condition, he cannot carry it. Eh? Please consult the gods. They must speak now. They must speak. Let them speak, please.
They are silent.
Hey,
They are not saying anything.
what do you mean nothing? My father is lying helpless and you say nothing? Will you do something?
Calm down. Don't talk to her like that.
My prince, please calm down. I understand the pain in our hearts, but you don't speak to the Ezenwai with such tone.
And who are you to speak when I speak? The fact that you're here as an elder does not give you the right to speak when I speak. Stop. I am the crown prince of Eda and the kingdom. And you will accord me the respect I deserve.
Examiner, what has come over you? We're all gathered here praying and seeking that our father the king gets well. Here you are bragging about hierarchy. I'm so disappointed at you.
Do not provoke my chi to strike you.
Please stop. Nobody's getting struck here. What is wrong with you two? Behave yourselves because you're all standing before the Ezenwai.
Is Ezenwai a god? Or the goddess? She's a woman being just like you and I.
I can clearly see what the gods are trying to tell me.
What did they say? Have they spoken to you?
I have to go now. I will come back when I communicate with the gods. Now, it means the meeting did not end well.
At all. The princes, we are just arguing. Arguing and arguing. I am so worried for the king. I pray that the gods will save him. And let him come out of this in one piece.
You see, but the king isn't really my problem right now.
What worries you, my beautiful daughter?
No. The two princes barely have my time. They barely pay attention to my needs these days. The other day I was with Prince Chaitanya and he said we should limit how we meet until his father recovers. I wouldn't even talk about Prince Ozemena. When last did he send something to this house? When? Ma'am, I'm just scared I might lose both of them. I'm scared.
Olaku, this is a trying time for everyone. You have to find a way to understand the princess. I am sure that very soon, by the gods, everything will be resolved and people can go back to their normal lives. Please try and understand them.
No, I don't like this at all. I don't like it. I'm not finding it funny.
She does not even know the tradition of our land. If she knows, she will pray for the king to survive this. If not, it will mean we are going back to that almost abandoned tradition. Tradition that has not taken place in the memory of anybody who is alive in this kingdom right now. It may not even favor her. She does not know. She does not even know.
I can see you're gradually getting better. So tell me, how do you feel not fighting?
Obim, I feel so good. And it's not that I enjoy fighting. It's just that I don't want to see any maiden around you except me. And that alone should tell you how much I love you and how I want you to be my husband.
I want you to be my wife, Ozoma. And that is why I've decided to inform my kinsmen of my intention to marry you as my wife, Ozoma.
My heart is filled with so much joy hearing this. In fact, I will never fight again. You know what, Obim? Sing, let me dance for you.
I miss seeing you dancing. Yes. I was so happy when that title was bestowed on you as the best dancer in Ede Kingdom.
Obim, but you never showed it. Here I was thinking that you were not happy seeing me dance. I had to reduce the way I dance just because of you.
My Ozoma, dance, let me sing for you. Yes, let me see you dance.
Okay.
Adamani.
Yeah, Olamaka. Olamaka. I waited for you. I got tired of waiting. Where's my meat? Which meat? Ekema, did you give me any meat to keep for you? Eh? You heard me now. I am tired of stealing meat from my father. My father caught me yesterday while trying to steal meat. You know what? I think I do not want to continue with this agreement. Yes! I am tired of stealing meat for you. You are tired of Guinea. You are tired of Guinea. Olamaka, if you cannot steal meat, go hunting. Akoko. Go hunting. Or was I the one that asked you to go and visit a man in his house? Was I? A man you know that has a woman he wants to wife. Even your father will pack all his meat and give you to prevent the embarrassment you bring upon your family if I open my mouth. Oh, Ezoku. Open your mouth, Ekema. Talk! Open your mouth. Olamaka, I should open my mouth. Open your mouth. I should open my mouth. Open your mouth. Hey! People are feeding. So because of meat, Anonchi, you want to embarrass me? I will embarrass you. I will embarrass you. It's okay. I will bring it. I will bring it. You better bring it. Better bring it before the sun sets. If not, I know. Just go. I will bring it. Okay. Try. What have I gotten myself into?
Please stop. Udoka, please.
Wakego, why are you following me?
I have asked you to stop following me, but you will not listen. Stop following me. I have made up my mind.
Let me ask you this one question. Why do you choose her over me? A maiden who fights everywhere she goes. Is that the kind of woman you want for a wife? Udom, you are my peace. And I'm here to give you nothing but peace. But you can't be with a maiden who brings you nothing but pain, headache, embarrassment and trouble. Udom, I am your peace of mind.
You know all this because?
Because I see all things.
I tell you something. Do you know why I chose Ozioma? Ozioma fights because of me. Yes. Ozioma will never talk down on any maiden she see me talking to. But you will never change. You talk down on her because you want to have me. I will never be with such kind of woman.
But you can be with a fighter, isn't it? Answer me!
You know what? You will never change. Yes. You will never change. I need to leave here now before she sees us.
No, Udoka, you can't leave me here. Udoka, are you being serious right now? Uzoma, I will deal with you personally.
If I was small, I would leave. I don't know why we are invited here. And nobody is talking to us.
No. Ozemene, who is he?
Priestess, you call the mouthpiece of the gods. Cannot communicate with the gods to let us know the ailment that has befallen the king.
And you brought him without proper consult?
I, Prince Ozemena, the crown prince of Edani Kingdom, will not sit and watch my father journey with his ancestors.
Ozemena! What has come over you? Who did you consult before taking this decision? Who?
Consult you as what? No, consult you as what? The only person qualified to ask this question is mother. But I can see you've grown muzzle. The little muscles you put together makes you think we are mates.
My princess, please, calm down. This is not the time for this. We should be seeking for solution, and whatever thing that has to be done to solve the problem should be done. We are looking for solution. Is that not it?
That is the truth.
As a Dibia, please, do what you're here for.
The gods will not speak. An event that has not been done for ages will soon be done. May the gods forbid.
Dibia, what are you saying?
Okay, kunambu, ke kunabo. Agaba kaleze na bana bakaleze. Na no nnofo ojije nusensi ezi. Ona bana ba ya jitoku iji. Na mo cheke se kudu neje bi na kan lo soji olonko. Uncle Nambu. Uncle Nebo.
Yes.
Mother! Mother!
What is it?
Mother!
Mother. This is what I... Mother.
Now turn back. I got the white diamond.
The one you said, somebody is already there. Shut up.
Everything will be fine.
Well, I'm not at home.
No.
You're back. How did the meeting go?
Olako, the only thing I can tell you is prepare. Prepare because you will be competing with other maidens to win Princess Emina.
I don't understand. I mean, I have the two princes at the back of my palms. Why should I compete with other maidens? Nam, is there anything you saw? What is it you saw?
I am certain you heard me. And that is all I can say for now.
Prepare to compete with other maidens.
This can't be. It's not even possible. I am the most beautiful maiden in this kingdom. Why should I compete with other maidens to get what is mine? The two princes should be the one fighting over me, not the other way round. I can't lose what is mine. I need to act very fast. Very fast.
How is she? How is she?
She's stable. Though still in shock.
Are you happy now? Ozemin, are you happy now? Father is lying helpless at his chambers. Now mother is lying helpless at the mercy of her children. Dibia has brought nothing but pain and sorrow to the entire people of India and the kingdom. Do you even have an idea of what he's meant? He said the gods are not speaking.
I may have no idea of what he meant, but at least he said something that we all fear. Something that could make mother slump and all the elders afraid and worried is something big. Now they know they will all have to put heads together and provide a solution.
Solution you meant? You know, at times I wonder if you are truly the crown prince of India and the kingdom because you do not know the ways of the gods.
Tanna, you dare not!
Or what will happen?
You dare not speak to me like that!
Ozo!
Thanks the gods I met you too.
How are you?
I really want to ask you two a question.
What is it? You can ask me any question. What is it?
You two want me, right? But I'd like to know who amongst you two is more interested in me.
Oh, come on. Obim, how can you say a thing like that? You know I'm more interested in you. If not for my father's health, we would have been long married by now.
Olakum, you know I want you more and more. If not, I wouldn't be sending you all those gifts I sent to you.
You know you can still marry me, right? Even if the Igwe, your father, is sick. And you, when last did you gift me anything?
What kind of a woman are you? You don't take gifts from my brother? Do you even have shame?
Well, it's left for you to decide. Whoever comes to see my father first becomes my husband. I'll take my leave.
Listen, Ozemina. All across my life, no amount of gifts can take her away from you. She means everything to you. You can give her all the gifts you have. You can give her everything. But I have something greater than gifts. And that is love. It's something you do not have.
Chaitanya, let's watch and see who wins. Let's watch and see who wins!
The end is now. For the beginning of a new generational phase will come. Guards, summon the elders for me. Tell them I want to see each and every one of them here now.
Is the why, please, I do not understand. What are you talking about?
I will not speak until the elders are here.
Hey, Ichiokoro.
Hey, Ichiokoro. Are you still here?
Ichiokoro.
Are you still here?
I fear it might have happened though. Hey, maybe it has happened though. Maybe it has happened.
I fear too.
Hi.
I fear. But the gods should not put us to such a test.
Ichiokoro, let us first hurry to the palace. And find out the main reason for this summon. Something must have happened.
The hour has come. The gods have taken action instead of communicating. Let us prepare for that which happened so many years ago.
What? What does that mean?
Yes, it may bring us pain, but the gods are wise. The dance of Mbaji will take place. This is to prevent the throne from getting into the wrong hands. The next law of this kingdom possesses that which we seek. For the gods are wise. Let us prepare the Igwe for his last journey.
Huh? What do you mean by last journey? And what is the dance of Mbaji?
Is why? What is wrong with my father? And what dance are you talking about?
I'm sorry, my prince. The Igwe has joined his ancestors.
You must be joking. You must be joking.
Let us confirm. Can we confirm?
No, this is not happening. This is not.
Nam,
Adam.
is everything okay? I just go back now and the lady said all the elders were summoned at the palace. What happened?
It's just a pity, my daughter. But very soon, the sound of Ikoro will echo the entire Edani kingdom to announce that Awigwe has joined his ancestors.
Nam,
I only came back to pick one or two things and return back to the palace.
Oh, gods of our land, why will you allow our Igwe join his ancestor at this early age? Why?
That is what everybody is asking.
Chai, may his journey to the land of the unknown be a peaceful one.
You see, my daughter, let me do one or two things, then I'll go back to the palace.
Chai, what will happen to our land now? Eh? Because I fear having somebody like Prince Osemena as the king. Because of our land, please, Biko, whoever that is going to take over from this king, give him wisdom. Wisdom, and also give us a queen that understand the true meaning of motherhood. He say, Che. Oh. Che.
I called you two here to explain our tradition to you two. We never felt any need to do this explaining because we never expected this to happen. What happened so many years ago. We never saw this coming.
You felt that even me as the crown prince of Edani kingdom is not supposed to know about the tradition of his land. Mother, how could you and father do this to me? What am I supposed to tell my unborn children concerning the tradition of our kingdom when I become the king?
We are sorry. We are very, very sorry. Please forgive us.
So, mother, what is this tradition? The dance of Mbaji? What significance is this dance?
The dance of Mbaji is a dance of the waist bead. It signifies the beginning of a new beginning. Every crown prince of Edani kingdom is expected to get married before the passing of the sitting Igwe, so that once the Igwe joins his ancestors, the crown prince is automatically installed as the new Igwe of the kingdom. This is because a man to rule the kingdom, the man is expected to be responsible. And a responsible man is the man with a wife. The Igwe is the one that is to choose the next queen before his passing. Now, none of you is married. Not even the crown prince is married. So, the gods will be the one to choose the next queen themselves, since the one that should have approved of the queen is no more.
So, mother, you mean that maidens will be selected to compete in a dance contest, and the winner will marry the prince, Prince Ozemena, and they two will rule the kingdom together?
Yes, but not the little dancing you can imagine. It is dance of the spirit. It is not evaluated by the best dancer, but it is evaluated by the ones the gods themselves will select. So the gods will be the one to select the maiden that will be the queen of the kingdom.
Mother, I have a woman I want to marry. What if she is not selected?
My woman, you mean?
Wait. Are you two fighting over the same maiden?
Mother, it is not me, it is Ozemena. Olaku is mine.
But I met her first.
It is not a question of who met her first. What's important is who she decides to marry first.
Chitala, what's wrong with you?
Enough of all this nonsense. What? Indeed, the gods are wise. The true prince of this kingdom is fighting over a maiden. When we have so many beautiful maidens in our kingdom, well brought up, well mannered, and you two choose to fight over one, it breaks me that my husband, the king of this land, had to pay with his life to prevent the abomination he knows nothing about. And I give my verdict. I don't want to see any of you one space close to her. Stay away from her and let the gods select who the maiden will be. If she's the one chosen, no problem. She will reign and rule as queen of this kingdom. If she is not, so be it.
Chetana, listen to me. I will not let you have her. No matter what you do, I will not let you win.
Mother, you heard him. Mother, you heard him.
I have made my point. And I don't want to repeat myself again.
Mother!
You don't shout at me.
I'm not going to sit back and watch one madman that parades himself as the prince take the woman I love away from me.
And you get out.
Never!
One more word from you. You are always the older one. I expected you to be more reasonable and sensible in matters like this.
Obim, have you spoken to your kingsmen?
Oh yes, I have spoken with them and they are so excited that I have finally decided to get a wife for myself.
And I'm sure that they've asked you to the daughter of whom you're getting married to.
And who does not know that I am in love with Ozioma, the daughter of Mazi Uchendu? Who does not know that in Ede and his kingdom? Nobody, everybody knows that I'm in love with you. Unless the strangers, the people that just entered the kingdom newly.
Obim, you make me feel so special. And if not fighting is going to make you happy, I promise you I will never fight again.
Are you sure about that? Yes, the good thing is I'm so happy that you've realized that you not fighting has won you a special place in my heart. And I want it to remain that way. I want us to be happy and grow grey. Yes.
I really love you. I love you.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure.
And I love you too.
No, Nam. I cannot take it. Nam, I refuse to accept this stupid tradition. I mean, Prince Ozemena wants to marry me. So why doesn't he just go ahead and declare me as his wife in the presence of the elders? So they can crown me as the Lolo alongside him as the Igwe. Why are they trying to take my birthright?
Tradition is tradition. And from what I gathered, there is fire in the palace because of you. The two princes are on each other's throat because of you. What? I am hoping we don't end up losing all.
Never. Nam. Lose! Why do you just want to sit and watch the gods ridicule us? Step in and do something!
I am still thinking. But I am hoping you are the one that will be selected. Honestly.
Selected?
Yes!
No, I don't understand this stupid tradition because this seems to be new. I am going to the palace again.
No. No maiden is allowed to set eyes on Prince Ozemena for now. You understand what I am saying? That is if he's the one you want to go to the palace and see.
But Nam,
please. I need you to stay calm, stay clean, so that you will be the one that will be selected. It is for your good. Stay calm, stay clean.
I refuse to take this. They cannot ridicule me. No.
My father told me about it. He said it is called the dance of Mbaji. It is very painful that we have to go through this stress just to get a wife for the prince.
You call it stress? I see it as a blessing. Blessing? Yes. Because it gives people like me the opportunity to be noticed by the prince. Let me ask you, has any of the princes looked at you before?
No. And besides, I have never had any interest in any of the princes. Yes. I do not see them as much as they do not see me.
But you see Udoka.
Hey, my good friend. Udoka is my love. Obimo. Omalicha nwokomo. Omim nobi. Amama asaromo.
Wakego, my friend. I will tell you the truth. Stop dreaming. You are desiring a man who do not know if you exist. Yes. Why don't you join me and wish for the prince?
Chukwajo. Me wish for the prince. It is very obvious you do not know me, your friend Wakego, very well.
My friend, think of wealth, power, respect, the authority you will command when you become the next queen of this land.
Yes. Wish to be selected first before thinking of power, authority, and command. Yes. You need to face reality and marry any man that comes to you.
May the gods forbid.
The gods will not forbid though.
That I, Ulamaka, daughter of the great hunter, we desire to marry any man. We desire to marry a commoner. It is clear to me that you do not wish me well.
No. Ulamaka, my very good friend. I wish you well. And I want to ask you this one question. Is your father not a hunter? Why don't you settle for a hunter or even a farmer?
Please, don't spoil my mood.
I am not spoiling your mood, but I'm telling you the truth, Makara.
Gods of my fathers, I welcome you. May the gods be praised. The soul of our Igwe has been accepted by our ancestors. Now it is time. Mbaji, the beats that sits on the waist of the choosing, I welcome you. Mbaji, the beats that produces the rightful heir to the throne of Eda and the kingdom, I welcome you. I am pleased to welcome you. Now go. Go! Go and select the chosen one by the gods. Go and give honor to the maidens of value. Go! Go! The beads. The gods cannot lie. The gods cannot lie. Oh, I am destined to be with the prince. It is time to act like the Lolo that I am. The gods are wise. For the ways of the gods is not the ways of man. Mbaji, you are welcome. Ndewo, welcome back. I see your selections. Very soon, the people of Edani Kingdom will realize what true love is. For our gods of love is awake. Welcome. The Igwe has successfully joined his ancestors. As you all know, the Mbaji has come once again. And I know it must have visited some of your daughters. Send the town crier to go around the village and invite everyone to come out tomorrow at the village square by noon. Love has come to rule us. Now you mean the Eze when you opened her mouth and said that love has come to rule?
Exactly what she said. And that is why I am confused. I know Mbaji is a festival of love. The maiden who will end up marrying the prince, Prince Ozebene, will be with the one that will become the Lola. But the issue is, she must be a maiden who not only loves Prince Ozemena with everything in her, she must equally be a maiden who loves our land to the extent she will be prepared to give her life for the land.
So why are you confused, Nam? You already know I love Prince Ozemena so much. And I love my kingdom. That is why I came back. Nam, I came back home. I should have stayed back at Oha, but I did not. I returned because of the love I have for my kingdom. Nam, are you listening to what I just said?
Of course. I was listening to you, but I think the best thing for you to do is to go inside. Go inside, because as the next Lolo of this land, you need to have your skin protected always from the harsh weather and from all the little things that bite. So you need to be protected so that you will remain beautiful always. Eh?
Nam, you're so wise. Hmm? The next Lolo of Edani Kingdom.
That is the one that is sitting very close to me now. My beautiful princess.
Yes, Nam.
Go inside. Let me be the only one that anything will bite. Eh? I don't want anything to happen to my beautiful daughter.
Thank you, Nam.
Love has come to rule. That is a serious issue.
See, I'm getting confused. Dabelechi, no. Have you ever harbored any manner of feeling for Princess Emena?
May the gods forbid. How? You know we don't like Prince Ozemina. He's so full of himself. He's so arrogant and mannerless. And you know I have a friend working in the palace. She used to tell me everything that happens in the palace. So why would I like such a person?
Nana, you and Mama Noko used to say that the gods are wise. Mm-hmm. If the basket of Mbaji appeared before Dabirichi, it only signifies something, that the gods can never be wrong. Whoever the gods chooses can change the life of the prince because it's a symbol of love.
My daughter, you are too young to understand. You see, just what will happen is, let the will of the gods be. But all we are praying and hoping for is for the best.
I pray I'm not the chosen one. If I'm the chosen one, I'll just kill the prince and run away.
Dabirichi, speak out to yourself. Spit it! Speak no evil, think no evil, and do no evil. Have you forgot?
I'm sorry, Amma. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. Almost my daughter.
No.
Just get me some food. I'm very hungry.
Okay. Stand up, let's go and eat. Look at her mouth. I just kill the fleas and flee. Let's go.
What is it? Who is after you?
Namaka, nobody's after me. But you will not believe what I saw on my way to the stream today.
What happened?
A basket appeared right in front of me as I was walking. Okay. And inside the basket are bees. Mbaji, to be precise. Yes, I ran to my father. And you will not believe what he said.
What did he say?
They have been selected to be among the maidens for the contest. Why are you happy?
Gods of my fathers, please select me. My name is Ulamaka, daughter of the great hunter, Mazi Okafo. I was selected. The basket appeared to me when I was sweeping this morning. So Ekema is beautiful after all. Eh?
Wait. If the basket appeared to you this morning while you were sweeping, and it also appeared to me this morning as well, it means the selection is over.
That is not true. Say what you know.
Cherekwa, for the town crier to have gone round this village this morning, which you and I know that it's very unusual, it means, and I think, the selection is over.
It's over.
Namaka, what do you think?
Don't call my name. Nne, we are favored by the gods. And the gods will continue to bless us. Don't touch me. So you have been staring mute for your future Lolo. Eh? Do not worry. For when I am crowned the Lord of this kingdom, I will surprise you. You know, go? My God, can't you try to get? I will be your Lolo. Wakego, How can Ekema be choosing and I am not? How is that even possible? She's lying.
No,
not true.
No. Ekema do not lie.
You believe?
You and I know she does not lie.
You believe her?
Yes. Ne, Kodi, take care of yourself. No go.
Maybe the gods are blind. How can they see me, ignore me, and choose Ekema, that good-for-nothing thing? I believe my own basket will appear to me, because I am one of the most beautiful maiden in this kingdom. Except they want to choose an ugly maiden as a queen to the prince. I know I'm beautiful, and I will be chosen.
Gods of our land, why? Why have you chosen to select the very maiden I intend getting married to? Why? I thought they said you were gods of love. Why? Why have you decided to separate me from the woman I love?
I'm not going anywhere tomorrow. I can't afford to be selected. Please. Let's run away from Idani.
No. No, Uzoma. Uzoma. I love you. I will never take you away from your family. From the ones you love. No, I won't. I will not take you away from your land. Listen to me. We will stay and let the gods prove that they are God of love. They should.
What if they...
Then they should be prepared to welcome two souls.
No. Oh, please, Lovin, please. Please, let's go.
Today is a great day. I greet you, my people. On behalf of Onowu of Edani Kingdom, who could not be here, because as some of us already know, Onowu lost his mother-in-law at Ebenabo Kingdom. And he cannot be here now because today is the burial ceremony. So he asked that I represent him. With pains in our hearts, we mourn the passing of our Igwe, the great Igwe of Edani Kingdom. Igwe Omelora, the 5th of Edani Kingdom. But with mixed feelings, I announce to you that our Igwe has successfully joined with his ancestors. Today is great day in Edani because today marks the beginning process in which we used to crown a new king. We cannot continue to live without a ruler. So today a Lolo will emerge, which we will join with our new king, and both of them will rule us together. Edani kwenu. Greatest and one.
May the 5 maidens that have seen the basket of Umbaji should step forward.
Step forward. What are you waiting for? Come out. You know yourselves. Step forward.
You are favored to have seen the basket of Umbaji. Love dwells in you. Among you
is the choosing law of this great kingdom.
Talk on.
Kneel. Kneel before the basket of Umbaji.
Are you scared? Kneel down. Why are you scared?
Gods of our land, look down upon us and bless us. You will step out one after the other to dance around this basket of Umbaji. Whoever the Umbajis fall on will be the crown lord of this great kingdom. You step forward. Music.
Let the music begin.
Chaitanya. All I could hear is mine. And not even the gods. Not even the gods of Ediani will make me forfeit what is mine.
How dare you? How dare you, Chaitanya, challenge the will of the gods?
So hell with the gods, Ozo.
If the gods have found you like worthy to be my wife, how dare you challenge it? How dare you?
Watch me. Watch me change it. Oluako is mine. Also, Oluako is mine.
You cannot challenge the will of the gods. You can't!
Watch me challenge it. Easy. Easy.
My prince, you both should sit down. Both of you sit down now.
No, please. My prince, Madunani, yeah? Madunani. I want if I'm Moroccan. Madunana. I want if I'm Moroccan. Sit down. Don't couple, look at you. That's the wine.
Favored maiden, help us and count the number of beads on your waist.
Like 6.
You see?
6.
How do you see?
The gods are wise. Their ways are not ours. They seize what no man can see, and before it occurs. Prince Chetana is the one. Step forward. Prince Ozemena, step forward. The Mbaji is 8 in number, which represents infinity. The Mbaji must be completed before anything can happen. The people of Edani, my elders,
That's the wine.
the 2 princes here are worthy heir to the throne of Edani Kingdom.
Oh, is okay.
And they both have interest on the chosen one. For that, they will embark on a journey to Eka Forest in search of the remaining Mbaji. Whoever that comes back with it will be crowned the next Igwe of this kingdom. And the next Lolo will be revealed. In 2 days, I will fortify them for the journey ahead. Go back to your houses and wait for the instruction of the gods.
The gods are indeed wise.
I was so scared and praying to my chi not to be chosen. But Obi, I can't believe that the 2 sons of the late Igwe could be fighting over the same lady.
I tell you something. This is exactly what love does to people. But it's none of my concern. Now the most important thing is my prayers are with Prince Chetana.
Yes, Obi. I prefer him to his brother Prince Ozemena. If Prince Chetana was the crown prince of our kingdom, maybe I would not be scared the way I was.
I don't understand. And what do you mean by maybe I won't be scared the way I was? What? Are you trying to tell me that you admire the prince?
Obviously.
Obviously. Are you actually telling me that? That obviously you admire the prince? Ozema, I don't want. I want to walk alone. You've succeeded in ruining our happiness. You've just ruined our happiness. So just...
Obim, you know I was joking. I would never admire any man except you.
And what kind of joke is that? If not that I love you, I would have said joke bogi. What kind of joke is that?
Obim!
I don't like it. And I mean it. I don't like it.
I love you. My man.
Don't be excited. Don't allow this excitement put you into trouble. Let's just go home. Let's go.
Small joke, you're already overreacting.
What is all this? What
embarrassment is all this? What do we call this? Now tell me, what is the meaning of this?
I can see you have your eyes on the throne. But be rest assured, I will not let you have neither the throne nor Ulako.
Let us watch and see. And as for the throne, to hell with it. I do not have any business with the throne. But for Ulako, you will never have her. Never.
Oh, I feel like beating you up right now.
Even before me?
Look at me very well. Can you beat me?
You think it's by big muzzle or big chest, right? Try me! Chetana, try me.
Shut up and go back to your chambers. Go back to your chamber. Maybe you want to bid me farewell because you want me to join my ancestors today, tomorrow. What is the meaning of this? What is this? If they were fighting over the throne, I would understand. They're fighting over a maiden? Ah. Husband who made a whole big mistake. We should have found them wives earlier. And I have to bear this all alone, all by myself. I thought my feelings for the prince has faded away. But I was wrong.
Phyllis, you are still in love with him after what he did at the village square.
My sister, I have no answer to that question. I'm having mixed feelings. On the other hand, I was happy. In fact, I am happy you were not chosen. But on the other hand, I almost busted into tears when he was confronting his brother about Ulako.
Oma, I did not like this. How can you be crying over a man who do not love you or do not even see you?
Tabere, you do not tell the heart how to react. Ika Forest is very evil. I mean, how could he? How could he?
It's obvious. He wants to kill himself because of love. What is so special about Ulako that the two princes are dying for her? She's not even beautiful.
My sister, she's beautiful.
She is not.
She is. That's not my problem. Please.
It's okay. It's okay, stop crying.
I'm not crying.
You are to go to Eka Forest in search of Umbaji. Whoever returns will be crowned the king of this kingdom and will be marrying the chosen daughter of the gods. Remember, this journey is for unity, love and peace. Inside the forest, there is a river called Nsiri River. Make sure you cross it holding each other. Failure to do so, you will die. Go! Go! And come back victorious.
still can't believe that this journey is because of your daughter Maduka. Eh? I see. Wonder how these two young men fell in the hands of your daughter. Eh? Not just brothers, but the two princes of this kingdom.
Oh no, you're not alone on this.
Okay.
I have spent 2 nights thinking on how the gods will settle this fight.
Everybody is thinking about my family.
The Imbaji did not come complete. The ways of the gods are mysterious.
Exactly.
Yes.
The ways of the gods are mysterious indeed.
Oh yes.
I never knew that this beautiful daughter the gods gave me is very special. As it is, I cannot wait to be integrated into the royal family as a family member.
I'm envious of family.
Hey.
You are favored. It's here.
Oh no, you can say that again. Go ahead and say it again.
I think we better focus on praying for the safety of the princess.
Ishendi, must you speak? No, must you open your mouth and speak?
Oh.
How can a human being hurt somebody and you're not even hiding it? What is wrong with you? I know you don't like me. That is why you have never ever liked anything that is coming to my family and I. Look at this very wonderful moment I am enjoying now. You just ruined it by opening your mouth. Did anybody beg you? Must you speak?
Ichie Madoka, praying for the safety of the princess is as well praying for your family. Whoever returns among the princes marries your daughter. Is it not? I do not wish you ill, Madoka.
You don't like me. I don't like you too.
Ichie Ndukwe.
You are right.
Yes. At least let us pray for their safety. At least that is the most important thing.
I can see that the meeting has already turned against me. What am I doing here? This is the reason you people don't prosper.
I am for you.
This is the reason something good.
Ichie Madoka is always.
I am for him. Although we are praying for the safety of the princess, but we should do it for him. It is very
Okay, please go.
Forget it, my brother.
I think this is the road that leads to the city river.
Hey, you're not the leader here. I'm the one to lead you. So you should follow my lead.
This is the way to the city river. Leader, what difference does this make? This is the road I just pointed to you now.
Well, you don't know the difference. The difference is the one who is leading. So I'm the leader.
Leader, remember what Ezenwa said. We have to stick together. We have to be one on this mission, else we will not survive.
We can only be one when crossing the Nsel River.
Leader, can you lead? We do not have time.
Follow me.
Keep going, Ozo.
Did I just get a royal recognition? I like this feeling.
Greetings, my queen. Greetings, all of you are here. Yes, my queen. Reset. Thank you. Your Majesty, I came to check on you knowing that you are alone. Yes. Indeed, I'm alone. That's so thoughtful of you. I am so worried about my two sons. It's been 2 days. so worried about them.
I am sorry, my queen. I am the reason for all of this. If I'd known that meeting the two princes would lead to this, I would have just locked myself in my father's hut. I'm sorry, my queen.
Olak, it's not your fault. My two sons are grown men. They should have handled this between them as brothers. I know you love Chetana so much. And this tradition is so hard on you. It's been so hard on you, and I don't even know how to help.
My queen, it's the weight I have to carry. I was born for this. I was destined for this. Anything that will lead to the greatness of this kingdom is what I will do.
That's amazing. You're blessed with so much wisdom. That is why my two sons are at each other, all because of you.
Your Majesty.
Anything, just ask, and it shall be granted you.
If it will please you, my queen, I need a maid or two to go around the village with me.
Nothing is so much for you, Adogo. You have it.
Thank you, my queen.
Oma, what is it? I fear for the prince. Oma, are we still on this topic? The prince that left you went into the evil forest with his brother over a maiden, and you are here thinking about him. Oma, if it's not because you are my elder sister, I would have talked to you the way you don't like.
Gabere, you don't understand anything, you don't. So, I forgive you because you're young.
Oma, this is not about young. Can't you see you are losing yourself? If you did not stop it, I have no option. I will have to report this to now.
Hey, come here. Am I too small to be noticed? The least thing you should have done is greet when you pass royalty.
Who is royalty? You.
Are you blind? Can't you see me?
Are you the royalty? Eh? Hi! Nne, Pico. Wait for the princes fighting over you to return and get married to you before you start claiming royalty. Eh? The entire village are worried, praying for the returning of the princes. But our so-called beloved chosen one is here parading herself. Manakanjukwa go. Are you really the chosen one? Eh?
How dare you? How dare you speak to me in that manner? You two are here. You stand there and watch her speak to me in that manner without doing anything? Huh? The next time I see you, you will go on your knees and greet me.
Please, I'm tired. Let us rest here. I am tired and hungry. Please. What has finished? You have to gather out some wood when you make fire. No. Also, what is going to happen is you go gather the woods and make the fire. Let me go and hunt and see if I can get us some meat. I am very hungry. Please.
I don't understand. Are you the one leading me? No, I don't get you. Are you the one leading me? I am telling you what to do and you are telling me what you feel is better.
Also, that will make it faster.
And I'm asking you, are you the one leading me? Go and gather the wood and then you can go hunt.
Oh. I will go and gather the woods and go for the hunting.
Cheta, I am your leader here. So go and gather the wood and later you go for the hunt.
Don't start. Don't start. I will only go for this. Just for peace to reign. Don't start also.
Better for you.
Thank you so much for today, Obi. I really enjoyed my stay with you. It was beautiful and I can't wait to start living with you as your wife.
Do not worry, my love. Listen, you know we cannot have any celebration now until the princes are back. But my love, I promise you, as soon as they get back and things come back to normal, I will come for your hand in marriage.
This is the sweetest thing I've heard today. I have to run along. I need to go and cook before my father returns.
I understand, but hope I'm seeing you tomorrow.
Of course. I will come and make ofonubu with the nchi that you caught.
Munye Udoka. You know something? Your eyes. Your eyes constantly reminds me that I made the right choice in you.
Obi, if you keep flattering me the way you do, I would not leave here today. But leave it for tomorrow when I come around. For now, I need to get going before my father returns, okay?
I know.
I love you, Obi.
I love you.
the great custodian of Nsiri River. My name is Chetana. With me here is my brother, Ozemena. We journey from a far kingdom, Idani Kingdom. We're on our way to Ika Forest. We plead for your permission to cross the Nsiri River. Please, grant us passage.
Welcome! Choosing one! We have waited for centuries for your visit. Welcome to Eka Forest, the land of love, peace and unity. Together you shall cross the river with your hands bounded together. When you cross, you can begin your search for that which you seek is somewhere around. You now have access to cross.
Prince Ozo, my beloved. What took you so long? I have been waiting here to see you. Come. Come to me.
Ozo, this is not Olako. Do not let her fool you. Olako cannot be here. Olako cannot get to Ika Forest. Don't let her fool you.
I've told you to stop giving me command. And you're still doing that. You know I hate it.
So this is not Olako. So this is not Olako.
Come, my beloved.
Also, this is not Olako.
Stop this!
Also, please. Do not listen to her. This is not Olako. Also, this is not Olako. Do not listen to her.
Don't let me kill you here.
Also, don't do this.
Also, my beloved. Come.
Also.
Come.
Also. 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 Also.
Chaitanya, the one who remembers his father and tries to make him proud, the proud son of Edani, I greet you. You have to return back to your people. For that which you seek, you are found.
Great custodian of Ika Forest, I greet you. Please, I cannot return to my people. My brother still roams in the evil forest. I cannot leave. I am yet to find the second Mbaji. Please, grant me more time. I beg of you.
The Mbaji you seek, you found. For the second Mbaji you seek is with the rightful maiden in Edani. As for your brother, he is no more. I warn you not to run, for Eka Forest is not for morning. I free from the grips of Olako and her father, which is the reason you embark on this journey. Don't worry, the gods will take care of them in their own way.
Beautiful daughter of Edani Kingdom. The shade that is favored by the gods.
Why did you leave me this long? What is happening to me, Mama Nuko? I feel so lost and broken. I don't even know what to do.
I have been waiting for the right time. In your possession is the 8th Mbaji Prince Chaitanya sent for.
The Mbaji is in my possession. Mama Nuko, are you saying that Prince Chaitanya has the 7 Mbaji and I'm with the 8? How did the 8 Mbaji get in my possession, Mama Nuko?
An Mbaji was given to your father on the day of your birth. Now, your father do not know what that stands for. Go to my chamber at the roof. Take the Mbaji and go after him because he is waiting.
Mama Nuku! I have the Mbaji that Prince Chaitanya seeks. I have the Mbaji. Prince Chaitanya.
My prince! 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 Tetana! Prince Teta! Prince Tetana! Prince! Yes, yes. You remembered my name.
What are you doing here? This place is far from Edani land. What brought you here?
I seek you. I came to find you. You have the 7th Mwaji and I have the 8th. Yes, I've had it all my life. It was a gift of my grandmother and that was how I saw it. But I didn't know it was more than a gift. I didn't know.
So you have the Mwaji. The guardian of Eka Forest asked me to go home. And the chosen one is with the Mwaji that I seek. Masri.
Yes.
Are you the chosen one?
Did your heart skip the first day you saw me? Did your heart skip?
Yes. My heart skipped. I knew that you're my wife.
I was never wrong. Let's go back to the people at once. Let's go.
My foot hurts.
Sorry. Sorry. Chita, please let's look for somewhere to rest for the night.
No. I need to continue walking. No one rests in the evil forest. I need to continue walking.
No, we have to look for somewhere to rest for the night and start back at dawn. Please.
If only he had listened. If only he had loved me like a brother should. If only he had...
Enough of the if onlys. If only cannot bring him back. What you should be worried about is how you go back to the kingdom, to the majesty, the queen without her eldest son.
What if he's lost in the evil forest? I mean, what if he's lost somewhere and he's looking for a way to go?
Then the gods will bring him back. You need to rest so you can gather strength for tomorrow. And your leg, you need to rest it. Please.
Alright. You need to rest, okay?
I'm okay.
No, you need to rest. Let me watch over you while you rest.
I'm fine.
Masari, I insist. You need to rest. You've done so much for me already. Just rest. Let me watch over you, please. Please. My beautiful Lord. The one whose smile gladdens my heart. The most beautiful of them all. Oh, Masri Chukum.
We will continue that some other time. My husband, Obim, my Igwe, the one that gladdens my heart. I am so lucky. I am the luckiest maiden in the entire Indian kingdom. for having you as my head.
Well, I must say that I am the lucky one here for having you. Omaslichukwu, thank you. Thank you for your patience. I am sorry for the pains, the sorrow, the tears I caused you because of our love. I promise you, you will never have any reason to cry again. You will never have any reason to remember the past. I will shower you with so much love, so much affection, so much attention, so much wealth. I love you.
Obi, I promise you, I will be the best woman. I will make your reign so easy. And I will be the best mother to the people of Isani Kingdom.
Now this is why I sing your praises. You are indeed bestowed with so much wisdom. Thanks to Mbaji. All thanks.
All thanks to Mbaji.